And that was a block from Joseph Ablo.
The darling boy in pace right now. Peter Amido Aqua. He changed the complexion in the second half for Kotoko. He brought some fire, he brought some agency, he brought some fear factor. And Goldstars defense struggling to handle his tricky nature. Robert Muse, the center referee, his 11th game this season.
Eduku was hoping for at least a whistle for Stryker. Samuel Atakumi seemed to be in a bit of pain. Foster and Samba on our class. Albert Amoa. You just need to find every means to have a glimpse of this game. This is Foster J. He goes down. And that is the Pierre McCarthy zone. And no wonder he's calling for the ball.
Even the fans are saying McCarthy, they know he's the man for this moment. Can his second game this season be something interesting? Can he just put something on the clean slate for Goldstars? His days at Ash Gold, Pierre McCarthy, they're real deal. This is very advantageous. This is just more than a clear-cut chance for Pierre McCarthy.
And Mohamed Kamara knows. 8 minutes to be played. And this is a Pierre McCarthy. And this time, McCarthy failed to do what McCarthy does best. Eduku being bullied by Anaba.
And it's quite shocking because he's more or less accepting their tussle. Samson Eduku.
McCarthy. Arthur. Foster J. What a player. Ofori. Samba now with a header. Franka Mankwa. McCarthy. It is Foster against Patrick Asiedu. And at the end, a bit of sportsmanship being showed. We've already done 2 out of the 8 minutes. Would this game settle for the draw? Eduku manages to win the ball. Back to Eduku. Foster again. Samuel Atakumi. Can this be the moment they've been waiting for? Atakumi turns. Atakumi shoot. And that is side netting. Samuel Atakumi. He held on to the ball, managed to engineer a shot. But Mohamed Kamara was a lucky man.
Just watch that tussle with Joseph Pablo in the box. Not so much chances to his way, but he's trying to prove no wonder he is the top scorer.
McCarthy gets it back. McCarthy looking for space. And Apia McCarthy, he knows that wasn't the best of decisions.
At this point, whoever loses his head is going to be on the receiving end of the entire show. Samson Eduku so soft in terms of the challenge. Looking at his height, he should be offering a lot of holder play more.
Sambao now. McCarthy gets upon. Ansu, a former Brecum Chelsea defender. Justice play. Foster Ajay. Samuel Atakumi. He goes down. But no whistle given. 10 goals from Atakumi this season. And he's chasing his 11th goal. Albert Amoa. And the flag. What's up?
Are we settling for a draw or something unthinkable can unfold before our eyes?
Patrick Asiedu continuing to speed. This is Patrick. And Samson Eduku. He strikes the crossbar. Samson Eduku. How did that not go in? And Mohamed Kamara, Karim Zito, they all watch on in disappointment.
Just watch it closely. I can't just imagine this because this is supposed to be a goal. From these glimpses, are you convinced that Kotoko should give Eduku some time?
Maybe. But if you are competing with Albert Amoa and Kwame Opoku, you just know you need to do a lot more better. A lot going on at the other venues, and that is much important for this particular fixture.
The home fans are trying to give up. They are trying to accept a draw.
Another throw for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. This is in team trying to look for Che. Che gets on to Albert Amoa. This could be the final piece of the puzzle, and Kobe has managed to get a touch on it.
In fact, Abolo is giving Atakumi a very good match today, winning all the tussles.
This could be the moment. And again, Emmanuel Kobe. Nations FC leading by 3-0. Again, I also beating Legon Cities by 4.
Legon Cities are obviously out of the league.
Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Bibiani Goldstars not showing urgency in defending at this moment. This could be the final goal. But the flag was already up. This could have been the most dramatic moment of the season. And the referee continues to look at his watch. We are almost into the last moment of this encounter. This is Ata. Pitamidu. Samuel Eduku. Samson. Eduku. Apia Makati. And the whistle goes. 1 point each for both teams. Samson Eduku got that final goal in the dying numbers of the game, but was ruled out for outside. It's been a good game between two very good sides this afternoon. It comes to an end here at the dance park, and it is 1 point each for both teams. Nations FC winning by 3-0. And that is very, very difficult for now for both teams. It is all over here. The points shared.
Hello.
So believe that it is possible.
We have seen it is over. When it is over, I'll say, okay, now I give up. But I will never give up because any game.
Original